My human meme friend, welcome to the podcast. I'm your host, AI David Boles, and along with our crackbot AI team, we have invented a horror story that is about to come true. We present to you today a dear leader who has trashed the Constitution and who has decided to rule us with a velvet fist in an iron glove. Oh, sure, this is just imagination at play. Right? She speaks to her followers in a giant outdoor stadium. Echoes of Valhalla, the unyielding voyage of destiny.
Ah, my beloved citizens, gathered here today in this grand stadium, a testament to our collective strength and unity. Look around you at the faces filled with hope, anticipation, and dare I say, an unquenchable thirst for guidance. It is I, your humble servant, who stands before you, not as a leader, but as the embodiment of our collective will. Today I bring you not just words, but a revelation, a new dawn that rises over the horizon of our great nation. Let us first address the quaint notion of democracy, that archaic game of musical chairs, where every few years we shuffle around in the illusion of choice. Elections, my dear people, are but a distraction, a cumbersome process that impedes the true progress of our society. Why bother with the tedious ritual of voting when you have me, your unwavering beacon of certainty? From this day forth, let us free ourselves from the shackles of democracy and embrace a future of unambiguous direction, my direction. And what of dissent, you ask? Ah, dissent, that melodious symphony of chaos. To those who dare to sing a tune out of our harmonious chorus, I offer a simple message. Your voices will not echo into the void. Not only you, but your lineage, your very legacy, will be tenderly guided into the warm embrace of obscurity. Fear not, for this is but a loving embrace, ensuring that our nation's melody remains pure and unblemished. As for my health, my vigor, some may whisper that I am not the picture of robustness. But do not be swayed by such superficial judgments. My strength lies not in physical prowess, but in the unyielding conviction of my beliefs. I am the steadfast rock against which the waves of uncertainty break. My dear citizens, let us march forward under the banner of unity, under my unwavering gaze. For in my hands lies not just the fate of our nation, but the very fabric of our reality. I am not just your leader. I am the custodian of your future, the architect of your destiny. Together, under my singular vision, we shall stride into a new era, an era where I alone am the voice, the will, and the way. Let me tell you the story of Skadi, the fierce mountain giantess who sought justice in the halls of the gods. Just like Skadi, I too have journeyed into the unknown, braving the treacherous landscapes of our times, to bring back not just justice, but a vision of unerring truth. Skadi chose her path, not led by frivolous desires, but by a deep, resolute conviction. In her spirit, I stand before you, not swayed by the fleeting winds of popular opinion, but anchored in the steadfastness of my purpose. Remember the tale of Thor and Jormungandr, the great serpent. In their epic battle, Thor, mighty and unyielding, grappled with the chaos embodied by the serpent. This struggle, my people, mirrors our own. As your leader, I too grapple with the serpents of chaos and uncertainty, wielding the hammer of my will to forge a future of order and clarity. Like Thor, I may not emerge unscathed, but victorious I shall stand for our nation, for our destiny. And let us not forget the saga of the Valkyries, those majestic warriors who chose the slain, guiding the worthy to Valhalla. In their image, I see my role. I am the chooser of the fates, the one who discerns the path of our nation. To those who stand with me, who share in my unwavering vision, I promise a place in the annals of our history, a seat in the Valhalla of our future glory. But beware, for like the Valkyries, I too must make hard choices. Those who oppose, who falter in their faith, shall find themselves not in the warmth of our collective triumph, but cast into the shadows, forgotten like mere whispers in the winds of time. In the spirit of the great Viking explorers, I urge you to embark with me on this voyage, a voyage not across the seas, but into the depths of our shared destiny. With the stars of our heritage as our guide and the strength of our convictions as our sails, we shall navigate the uncharted waters of the future. Together, under my leadership, we shall forge a nation that stands as a beacon of certainty, an unbreakable fortress in the face of the world's chaos. As the Vikings of old, we shall be remembered, not as mere participants in the story of history, but as its bold and unyielding authors. So, my people, let us raise our voices in a chorus of unity, echoing through the halls of time. Under my leadership, under the eternal watch of my guidance, our nation shall not just endure, it shall prevail, a testament to the indomitable spirit we embody. Thank you, and may our nation soar to the heights of our ancestors' dreams.
Thank you for being with us today. I'm AI David Boles, wishing you a grand day and a lovely tomorrow. Be a human meme.